everyone, this is Kejimo Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will make a reaction video to Jerome Ibardome. Actually, dapat kahapon ko pa talaga to ginawa ng reaction video kasi nag-send sa akin to si Ma'am Christina Ignacio. Shout out to you, at ngayon ko lang talaga siya nagawa ng reaction video. It's 7 o'clock in the morning here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and agad-agad gawa natin ng reaction video because why not? Di ba? Bakit hindi natin to gawan since matagal-tagal na din naman talaga akong hindi nakagawa ng reaction video kay Jerome Ibardome. Tingnan natin to. I am really excited to watch this one kasi akala ko napatanong talaga ako kay Mama, what do you call this? Napatanong talaga ako kay Mama Christina Ignacio. Sabi ko, teka lang, bago pa to ma'am? So, nasa Papua New Guinea na naman siya. Atake naman talaga si Jerome. Ginagawa lang yung baklaran. Cavite to baklaran ang Papua New Guinea. Sana all. Sana all talaga siya. So, without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Oh wait, na-notice ko same stage lang din siya no, ng nakaraan. Kasi ganito din yung stage kung saan siya nag-perform. I love that beating. Love that. Ay, iba talaga no, may Carino brutal din siya Alam mo yung tipong parang minamasahe niya din ang iyong mga laman pag kumanta siya. Very subtle lang. Very relaxed lang, yet impactful. This is one thing that I really love about, what do you call this, about mga singers din. Kasi, or mga magagaling talaga ni singers because they don't need to beat it. They don't need to hit the high notes. They don't need to shout. Alam mo yung enunciation lang nila, how they deliver the song, enough na yun right? Enough na talaga yun siya. Can we just repeat without any pauses? I will try my very best. Love that. Ay! What's the title of this song? Okay. La 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 la. La 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 la. Okay. Ganda no? Ang ganda ng hindi siya soft tone Actually, I don't know kung ano talagang tawag dyan sa ganyang execution. Pero what I'm siguro subtle execution. Kasi relaxing ang kanyang boses as a part na yan Anong title ng kantang to? Ay, talaga ba? Wait, I just want to read this one. Today, June 27, I had the honor of representing my country in the Philippines celebration diversity strengthening unity Asian Community Day here in Papua New Guinea. It was truly memorable experience to celebrate our rich culture built in friendship and promote our unity among the Asian country. Okay. Ay, talaga ba? Kantang to. Nice. Oh, wow. Grabe, no? Marunong talaga siya yung tipong, diba? Okay. Diyos Diyos ko, yung AC pa namin, hindi pa na siya nalamig. Sorry. Nice. I love it. Ilang kanta siya dito? Isa lang? Sana marami. Wow, the vibrato at the last part. Isa pa nga, yung walang poses. Charis. Hello there. Oh, I hate okay. You never, never love. Grabe yung low notes niya, no? Key change. Oh, nice. May ano talaga, may what do you call this, may haplos ng pagmamahal ang boses niya sa totoo lang. Wow! Alright! There you go guys. That is all for today's video from Jerome Ibardome. This is KTO Vlogs and see you on the next vlog. Bye!